reaching love. Love is asking to be loved.
Love is you.
Love is you.
You and me. Love is nowhere.
Love is nowhere
We can be. Love is free.
Love is free.
Free is love.
Is love.
Love is reaching.
Love is reaching.
Reaching love. Sunflower. May sining ganon, nakita mo?
Hindi. Maganda ba?
Sad ending.
Ano ba pag may love story, palaging ganun?
Ano ibig mo sabihin?
Yun nga. Sad ending.
Ikaw naman. Kung parating ending ang iisipin mo, then people won't fall in love. Di malungkot ang mundo.
Melissa! Melissa! Kanina ka pa namin hinahanap. Pagod na kami. Ang tatay mo nasa ospital. Kailangan bumalik tayo agad.